Hello everyone, welcome to NumPy course. So in a previous session, as we discussed about the array manipulation, and we already going through that four operations, how we have to work on the transpose operation, how we have to use a method in an array shape, as well as the number of the dimensional and the joining array. Let's move to the other four operations, other four methods to use your array manipulation. So we'll start with the splitting arrays. So splitting array, basically it is used for splitting the things in a array creation time, or we are using some methods how we are using for the other four method. So we'll move to the methods what we use in this. So the first, as common, is a splitting. So we use the split method, which is used to split an array into a multi sub arrays views into a array. Then we are having a one more method that is called your array split. Basically this array split method, it's splitting the array into a multiple sub arrays. So when you want to split the array in a multiple sub arrays or multiple V, we are using our array split method. Now move to the next method that is called DS split. Display split, we call it a display. It's used to split the things because everything is a splitting, means dividing. Split is nothing but your dividing purpose. So in this DS split, it's used to split array into a multiple sub arrays along with the 3D access, means a depth. If 3D means it use the depth, 3D access it will do the splitting. Now move to the another method that is called HS split or H split. It is used to split the array into a sub arrays horizontally because the column wise. If you want to split the array in a column wise, we use H split. Now we are having a B split. So it is for, as we are doing for the column wise, so as usual it will be for row wise. H is denoted for your horizontally, and V is denoted for your vertically. So this is what our splitting array is used for. So now let's move to tiling array. This is used for do the tile or repeat process. So here we use a two method, that is first one is tile and the next one is your repeat method. So the first one, that is your tile, it is used to construct the array by repeating a number of times, how many times it's happened, and repeat the element for the array. So this is two is used for tiling's array. Let's move to the next one. Adding and removing elements is used for adding the values in your array or removing the values in an array. It uses also some methods. So I'll give the methods here. Methods. So we'll start with the first method, that is called delete method. So as we know that delete method is nothing but if you want to delete the excess, the values inside that, we use a delete method. Now comes to insert method. If you want to add something, you have to insert it, we use insert method. Then move to the next method, that is called your append method. So basically append the value from the end of an array. Whenever you have to use this, we have to add the values from end. So we can do the append in that. Then resize method, in this we, if you want to do the resize of the array, like suppose you are having one size A and you are going with a new shape, so you can go with the same format, resize A comma new shape, your size will be changed. Now the next one, it's trim zero method. So basically trimming the leading and trailing zeros from the 1D in the sequence, we use a trim zero. If you want to do the flip and trim, we use this particular method. Now unique methods. So basically unique method, it's find the unique element for your element. So if you want to find the unique element which is not repeated once in an array, so we can use this particular method. So this is our sixth method we use to do adding and removing element from where? From array. You can go with 1D, 2D or n-dimensional array. Let's move to the next one, that is rearranging element. So rearranging element is basically used to give the new arrange offer or the new values to the array. Means suppose the size will be 2, if you want to rearrange it to the 3, we use a concept called rearranging element. It follows also some methods. Let's move to that. Which methods it follows? The first one, flip. If you want to reverse the order of the element in an array, we use a flip method. Means your reverse, it will do the reverse using the flip method. Now move to the next one, that is your flip LR. Flip LR, this is for to left to right direction. So if you want to reverse left to right direction, RIGST, right direction, we use flip LR. Now move to flip UD. So now if you want to the up down direction, then we use flip UD. This is for your up and down direction. Then move to the next method, that is your reshape method. Reshape. So this is gives a new shape of an array without changing the data. It will not touch your data. Whatever the data is present in an array, suppose array is consists of 2 3 4 and you have to move to the array of 2 3, it can change the things, but whatever the value will be there, it will be same. It will not changing those things. Now move to the next method, that is your roll method. This is for roll array element in a given axis. If you want to roll the array element in a axis, we use this method. Now move to the last method, that is your ROT 90. So this is for rotation method. ROT 90 is nothing but called as rotation method in a 90 degree. If you want to rotate the array in a 90 degree in a plan, we use ROT 90 method. So this is all the array manipulation method to the doing the updation, addition, removing, joining. You can split the things. Then if you want to change the array thing, if you want to transpose, you can use transpose method. Then rearranging, we can do the rotation of 90. So this is what the array manipulation work for.